Gonna continue like the house because I haven't playing Toca Boca for a while because I always play 99 Nights in the Forest. And after I build like the whole house, I'm gonna show like a tour house. And sorry I haven't posted a lot of Toca Boca videos. I am like done here, but I'm not done at this. So I'm gonna try to fix it. You can copy it if you want. You can like copy it. I'm like doing like the house in my house, in like my Toca Boca house at my phone. Yeah, but I don't know it. I didn't like I forgot what it looks like. I like the floor, but the wall doesn't fit like the floor. I wanted like to do this like this wall, but I think it's not like aesthetic, so I'm gonna go with the white. So I'm gonna post a part 2 right now. So yeah.